mail. So I had purchased some wigs from UNICE Hair, and it was a buy two get one free. And as y'all saw in my previous, I had purchased 2 wigs. One was a long Jerry curl wig, which I've been wearing, love it. Another was got a free pixie type wig. I don't do like care too much for short hair, so I'm giving it to my mom because she likes short hairstyles, and she didn't. Ooh. Damn, FedEx, these packages. Anyway, I'm giving the other wig to my mom. So here is my other unit, and isn't she? All I have to say is look at this. Look at this right here. This case, I love it. It comes with several different things. Here is my unit. My unit is a 7x5 bye-bye knots. She is a blonde. She is 18 inches body wave. HD lace. Glueless. But this is her. She's 18 inches body wave. Nice. Look at the curls. Just bouncy. She is pre-everything. The tint, I'm not so much sure about the lace tint color, but I don't know. Let's see. Loose Tint by Dola Hair. It's in a color of medium brown. So I'm going to use my industrial dryer to dry this. So this Dola Mousse Tint, I'm not liking it. Not liking it. It's very splotchy. Let's go back to my my old reliable. There we go. Much better. Much better. She's glueless. Now I've got her tinted. You see she is glueless. She has 2 little bands on the side, adjustable bands. It has that sticky grip elastic around it, and she comes with 1 comb in the back. So let's put her on. It does feel a little loose. It's not as snug as I would like. She's a little loose, so I think I'm gonna try to either taper or melt her. I'm gonna melt her down, taper down. Apply my bowl hole skin protectant like I always do to the rim of my hairline. Like I said, I don't care what I'm using. I always apply my bowl hole. And I just spread it in a little cup, and I use a Q-tip and just dab it around the perimeter. I'm gonna use my Kiss hairspray.
Drop that. me. Work that body for me. What?